Hi guys, my name's Dimitris, and in this video we're going to discuss some of the key important functions of the background and navigating the existing canvas on our EZWrite 6 whiteboarding software. First and foremost, your background tool list. As you can see, we do have some color changes options, whether it's going to be simply like your traditional blackboard or your whiteboard. But when you go into your more background list, as you can see, we do have quite a wide variety of background already preloaded. Whether it's going to be the important state-specific writing lines that are now set up here, your different tools of sporting, baseball, soccer, whatever fielding you need, your math tools as well for your grid paper, and even something as simple as your periodic table and your world map. What that means is that when it's selected, this is what you'll see. You have it preloaded in the middle, students can come up, write on it, you can pre-prepare it as well as with the whiteboarding software. As you can see, I do have a preset diagram ready to go for you. As a teacher, you can actually preset all this through your Windows or your Mac devices as well before the class starts and simply upload it to a Google Drive to then re-edit it on the whiteboard. When you jump onto something like this, as you can see, I've already got some information written on there. This is actually the New South Wales state writing line on how they can actually copy it through. As a student, all I simply have to do now while learning to write, I'm going to come up onto the board and I can simply copy the way the teacher has written it. As for the teachers, this is an editable file which you can save. Simply hitting the tools, select save, and save it as an EZWrite file. This means you can actually track the progress of your students' handwriting by having access to old work on the board or onto your personal devices. Also, if you feel like you're running out of room, simply select the magnifying tool and you can zoom in and out. You can also use it as a reference zone. So, meaning I hit the square in the middle, I can move that white square out of the way and have all the extra information for whatever else I need to write on there. Again, for teachers, as a summary, like I mentioned, this is going to be a great tool as you can pre-prepare your lessons in advance by accessing all these files onto your personal devices and then simply loading them straight into the whiteboarding session. Thank you.